So, this. Well, yeah. This is off a real clubman. It has a F20C Honda motor, and it is quite literally the fastest car I've ever been in. Not just straight line acceleration, but also how fast it can go around corners. So, it had a little accident, and well, it became a little bit shorter on one side than the other. So it's gone for a full front half of a chassis, and well, it doesn't have time to get new panels, so we're just making a new one out of aluminium. Luckily, I've got this other piece off the other side, which is still the right shape. So I can use this to get my measurements for all my folds, and also get the curve, and also the curve this way for that end piece. So I started by getting a piece of 2mm alloy. Now, I'm going to have to mark this out for where all these lines are. There's 3 main folds. This bottom side is tapered. The top side should be straight. It's not really straight, but it should be. So I'm going to use this piece to template where the folds are, and we'll start by putting the 3 folds in, and then we can trim this curve in and put that fold in for the edge. Now, he wants it a little bit longer at the front. He asked for 10mm, but I think I've made the sheet about 20mm longer than it needs to be. So, first thing I'm going to do is get my cheap masking tape and just lay some tape out onto the sheet so that it doesn't get scratched up while I'm actually folding it and shaping it. And then after that, I'll start folding it and shaping it. Well, that's the plan anyway. So, these broken bits aside. This side's nicer. There is actually a product to do this, which is like a wide roll of lightweight self-adhesive vinyl stuff, but I don't have any of that, so tape it is. And you have to fold it. One day I'm going to build a folder so that I can just fold these things properly. But for now, I'm just going to clamp something to the bench and bend it like I normally do. Pretty close. So, I just need to make sure I have this the right way around. So I'm going to add about 10mm to that line all the way along, and then fold it all over. Now on the bottom here, it's got to be cut from about there back to about 40 mils diagonally down. But I'm going to leave that to last. So next is this bit, which I have to get folded over and then possibly do a little bit of welding in the corner piece here, but 10 mil all the way. Alright, so I've just got to get the welder, pull up these two bits. I just need to hit that direction a little bit with the rubber mallet, because this has just taken the curve out. So, TIG time.
Yeah. We can make all sorts of things, can't we, Shit Cookie? Yeah.
Alright, so that's the piece that needs to be cut off, but I'm just going to leave that for the owner. When he comes to pick it up, I'll see if he wants it cut off. This piece here, I'm guessing it's maybe 100 grams. Alright, cut that piece off when the customer came to pick up the panel. Now, I weighed it. The original panel was 1180 grams, and the new panel after I cut this off was 1736 grams. So the new panel is 555 grams heavier. So in the future we will possibly do a full set of panels out of 1mm alloy instead. Make it half the weight because race car. That's it for this video. As always, customize everything.